Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created the flower wall that is behind me. This flower wall is super affordable. The flowers were from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby. Of course, the Dollar Tree they were $1, Walmart they were between $1 to $3, and Hobby Lobby I would say, because they were on sale, I got them for maybe $5. Again, it's very affordable. I maybe spent $100 on flowers total, but to me it was worth it. So the things that you're gonna need to achieve this flower wall are flowers, a glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, and a board. Now I can show you the board that I use. And let's see. It doesn't say what length it is, but you can kind of see here. It's not too big. Behind me I have 4 of them. I'm gonna add 2 more on the bottom and then 2 more on the top. I kind of went overboard and bought too many flowers. As you can see, it's super stuffed. You don't have to make yours this stuff, but I did it just because I could be a little extra. So I'm gonna show you how to start off. So this bag is leftover flowers from the last time that I made it. I did buy more flowers. First things first, you're gonna take your bouquet of flowers and then you're going to pick all of the you're gonna just pick them off. So some people, once they pick them all off, they kept this part just so you can put a couple of leaves inside of your wall. I did it the first time, well the first square, but the other 3 I didn't really do. I used so many flowers that I didn't have any more space for it. So for mine, I'm not gonna need it. But if you would like to save some of your money on actual flowers and use the leaves to kind of fill in some of the spaces, you can. But again, in my video, I'm not going to. So I'm going to go ahead and, how they are in this bag, remove all of the flowers from the actual stems, and I will come right back and show you guys the next step. Taking all the flowers off, and I put them in this big old container just so I can mix them around, so when I put them on here it's not too many of the same flowers going next to each other. So I'm going to put this on the floor next to me, and then I have my board. I'm gonna dust it off. So while I wait for the glue to warm up, I'm going to just show you guys how I start. You're going to want to keep a trash bag next to you because you're going to notice that when you do pull these off, it's going to still be this little piece right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a little piece that sticks out. I've seen some people place holes in it and stick them inside the holes, but I wanted to prevent from having the holes going through the back of the board. So I just cut it off, and I just put the glue right here, and I just glue it on. As you can see here, I'm just showing you guys the same process. I'm just cutting that little piece off, placing the glue on the back of the flower, and then just sticking it on the board. I'm just going to continue to repeat these steps until the entire board is completed. as you can see in this part, I'm moving a little faster, and that is because I have already cut off the pieces in the back just so it can be a little easier to just stick them on without having to cut anything off. Okay guys, we have officially finished our flower wall. So as you can see, it's very different variations of flowers, and yeah, this is it. Very simple. It didn't take me long. I would say about 2 hours, and that's just because I was doing other things like listening to music, watching TV on my phone. But overall, it was very easy. Now what I used to hang this up are command strips, the ones that I believe they can go up to 12 or 16 pounds, and I put them on the back because the back is still empty. And then I use 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I just put them on the wall and they stay up there, and then there you got it. Now behind me there's 4 of these. So when I did make it the first time, it did take a little bit longer, but again I need 4 more because I want to do 2 more on the top and 2 more on the bottom. So I showed you guys one. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more artsy stuff. I had fun making this video. Tag me if you make one and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.